In this video, I'll be disassembling this 2014 Porsche Macan Bi-Xenon headlight. Here is the part number on the light. I will begin by cutting off the rest of the lens. I've disconnected the lens from the light. The bezel is connected to the lens using a series of T10 torx screws. Also notice that this inside projector is actually fake and has no bulb. I will begin by removing the T10 torx screws holding on this bezel. Next, I'm going to remove the T10 torx screws holding on the chrome bezel. Next, I'm going to release the bottom inside projector mount by using a T40 torx driver. Next, I will release the upper outside projector mount by using a pair of needle nose pliers to squeeze on the tab and pull the projector mount forward. With the two inside projector mounts released, we can pop out the projector. On the rear of the projector is a wire harness clip connected to the Bi-Xenon actuator. On the bottom of the projector is a single wire clip for the LED running light. With both of the wire harness clips removed, we can pull out the projector. Next, I'll go to the rear of the light, and I will release the clip on both sides of the wire harness connector and push it into the light. There is a ballast connector on the bottom of the light. There are 4 tabs, 2 on each side. Simply push the tabs in and push the connector into the housing. Next, I'm going to unlock the AFS motor. Now we can simply pull the wire harness out of the light. The housing is now empty. There are 4 clips holding on the chrome bezel. In order to remove the LED light ring, there are a series of clips around the projector. You need to use a small screwdriver or a hook tool to release each one and pull it up until it releases. There are 4 T20 screws holding the projector to the bracket. There are 4 T20 screws holding the projector lens to the bowl. Here are the projector components. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.